If you ever needed to change the Facebook Messenger notification sound on your iPhone or iPad, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to change Facebook Messenger notification sound. In order to change the notification sound of Facebook Messenger, what you have to do is you have to first of all open the Messenger app, and after that tap on the menu icon that you see here in the bottom right corner. And when you tap on that, here you get the settings option on which you have to tap, and that will show you various settings options for the Messenger app on your device. And after that, you have to just scroll a bit, and then you will find the option for notifications and sounds. And you can see this is currently on. So tap on this, and then you will get various options for notifications and sound settings for the Messenger app on your device. Here you can see under notification preferences there is text tone. So tap on that, and then you can choose any other notification sounds for the messages in Messenger app. You may select any other option, and you will also get the preview of that. And depending upon your preference, you may choose to keep that notification sound. So this way you may change the Facebook Messenger notification sound on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to hide Messenger messages alerts on your iPhone or iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.